Hello peepies, Daniel here again. So I bought another item. This time it's something to help out with my YouTube videos and other videos that I might make. So the camera I'm using at the moment is a Panasonic HD camera. It records in 1080p, and sometimes it's not very high quality. Let me give you, this is my parcel. I turned up in my PO box today. It's from eBay. So this is what it looks like when I zoom up into the fish. Looks a little bit grainy, a little bit blurry. Now I'm going to compare this to the 4K camera. Alright, let's unbox this camera, guys. So this is what it came with. Obviously the camera. Now the camera is white, so I don't know why it's in a black box. But it is a, that's the correct model, hc-vx980m. The M stands for memory. It comes with a built-in 64GB memory card. Obviously it comes with a power adapter, instructions. Let's get it open, guys. Okay, so first thing I have to say is that this is huge and so heavy. It is literally massive. I'm loving it. I can't wait to test it out, guys. Let's go test it out now, hey? Let's see what it looks like in the fish tank. Alright, see you soon. Hi guys. So I've charged up the battery in this new Panasonic 4K camera, and it is, man, this is such a chunky camera. It's huge compared to my old Panasonic. It looks like even the lens is bigger, like the actual hole for the image. Anyway, let's test out some of this, test out the zoom. So that's the city. Well, not even there yet. We can go further. Well, that's about as far as it'll go. 25 times zoom. This is optical zoom, not digital. As you can see, it's pretty awesome. Alright, now let's see what it looks. Let's see what the fish tank looks like with the HD camera. Sorry, with the 4K camera. Now, if you haven't set this YouTube video to 4K, please do it now. Because I'm going to be recording these fish in 4K. You've seen what it looked like in 1080. Look at how smooth that zooming in is, so sensitive. You can just glide it in and out nice and slowly. I'm loving this bloody camera, guys. It's so much bigger than the old Panasonic one I had. I'll sell that one on. It's still worth a fair bit at JB Hi-Fi. They have it for sale for like at least $250, I think it is. So I can get some money back on it. But I'm happy with this camera. It actually came with an SD card. It was only 16GB, so it's not even. It won't even record hardly anything in 4K. So I picked up another one on eBay, which is a 128GB Class 10 SD card, which I haven't actually received yet, but hopefully I'll get it. I'll get it soon. That's Lily. Alright guys, wow, it even comes with an automatic flashlight. It actually shone up a flashlight when I took it into the darker room. So it automatically adjusts the flashlight. Now what I did, I actually did a bit of a video beforehand, and I couldn't find what folder the video was in. And I was having a look, and they had all this other shit on their SD card and on the hard drive, so I ended up doing a factory reset on it. And you go to the record mode, you can choose what quality video you want. Yeah, so pretty damn good, guys. It's very chunky. I'm not sure what the audio sounds like yet. Hopefully you can hear me clearly. Hopefully. So, but like I said, it's much bigger than my old Panasonic, and this one's a new Panasonic as well, 25 times IA zoom. So yeah, alright, thanks for watching. If you watched this far, guys, please like and subscribe, leave a message, guys, and I'll get back to you. Whatever you have to say, I'll respond to all of my messages. I always do. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.